My name is Omar. I'm from Flora Engineering Services LLC. We are a company situated in the UAE. We're licensed in Dubai. We are specialized in the supply, installations, down to the commissioning and turnover of the projects and handing over of greenhouse projects and farms, not only in the UAE, but also in the MENA region. We have projects in Saudi Arabia, in Oman, in Kuwait. We're trying to expand to Northern Africa as well. We did something in Egypt before. So hopefully we will be able to expand throughout the MENA region. So basically what we do is we are in partnership with our Netherlands friends, I would like to say. They are companies that provide us they manufacture the technology that we use in greenhouse farming, vertical farming, hydroponics. For example, the fertigation and irrigation system with Breva. They're very well known for the automation system. The lights, Phillips lights, if you heard of Phillips. We have a partnership with Signify, who provide the lights for poultry, for grow lights for nurseries, screen systems from TTA, indoor farming. These companies help us grow our reputation in the Middle East, helps us develop the modernized way of farming in the Middle East. So we are intending to expand this knowledge, not only in the UAE, but across the region. So hopefully we can penetrate the Saudi market. Saudi is becoming big, in the 2030 vision. So we're really looking into that as well. For farmers and local growers, this is the place to be. The interaction is, spontaneous. As you can see, people are coming left and right. So it's really an exciting time to, showcase our products and our techniques and our vision. It really opens eyes in this region. Well, you can reach me personally. My email address is omar.sabra@flora-me.com, or you can send us an inquiry at info@flora-me.com.